If you've ever wondered, how does itch.io pay you, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down the two main payout methods on itch.io in a simple, easy to understand way, so you can decide which one is best for your games, assets, or digital products. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful creator tutorials. Let's get into it. When it comes to getting paid on itch.io, there are really two options you need to know about. The first is collected by itch.io, paid later. The second is direct to you. These two methods work very differently, and understanding the difference is important before you publish anything. Let's start with collected by itch.io, paid later. With this option, itch.io collects your payments first. That means when someone buys your game or product, the money is processed through itch.io, and then you request a payout later in bulk. This is a good option if you want a simpler setup and don't want to manage every individual payment yourself. Another important thing to know is that itch.io's default payment providers are used with this method. So instead of connecting everything manually in a more direct way, itch.io handles the payment flow for you using their built-in providers. That makes it more convenient for many creators, especially if you're just getting started. Now let's talk about direct to you. This method works differently because you get paid immediately each time a purchase is made. Instead of waiting to request a bulk payout later, the money is routed to you right away. This can be a great option if you want faster access to your earnings and prefer a more direct payment setup. However, with direct to you, you must link the payment providers you want to support. In other words, you need to connect the services that will actually receive the money, so if you choose this option, make sure your payment accounts are set up correctly before you start selling. So, how do you choose between the two? If you want itch.io to handle the payments first and then pay you later in bulk, go with collected by itch.io, paid later. If you want to receive money immediately as purchases happen, then direct to you is the better fit, as long as you've linked the right payment providers. The easiest way to think about it is this. Collected by itch.io, paid later is more like a bundled payout system, while direct to you is more like instant receiving. Both can work well, but the right choice depends on how you want to manage your income and your payment setup. If you're just starting out, take a few minutes to review your payment preferences inside itch.io before publishing. That way, you'll know exactly how your money will be handled, and you won't run into surprises later. If this video cleared things up, please give it a like, and subscribe to the channel for more simple software and creator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how itch.io pays you.